Okay. In last session, I completed JavaScript. JavaScript is a dynamic script language, and
Yes.
how to dynamic? This is assigned to where I is equal to 10 number, then assigned to string, then assigned to bool. Okay, this is a dynamic. Okay, and after that, how to concatenate with the number to string and then string. This how to calculate this value. This will evaluate left to right, correct? and uh,
Mm,
and also uh, mm, create the function and pass the parameter
mm,
uh,
mm.
with the number and the string, and what is the output
Yes.
with it,
Yeah.
and null and undefined, what the use of null and undefined, how to come, and what is
Mm,
the hosting uh, means scan the code, like scan the code, like you define the variable in console dot, like on here on example
mm.
console dot log ex, and
No, scheme is not visible
okay,
browser.
okay, my screen not is showing.
Only the document is showing.
Yes, this is the document, I am only showing on the document.
Okay. Okay.
So then x uh, where x, okay, then when the run this code, then runtime,
Yeah.
this will go to the
Mm,
top, scan the
yes.
code and declare variable on the top. Okay,
Mm,
after
mm,
that I also describe the es5 and es6,
mm,
ECMAScript 6 and ECMAScript 5. ECMAScript 5 is coming in 2009, and syntax into ECMAScript 5, this syntax. And after ECMAScript 5, ECMAScript 6, this syntax. This
mm.
is change. Okay, and one I left one point on there. I tell you this point. Uh, W3C, W3C, uh, W3C, HTML, W3 standard for the HTML, but for the JavaScript, ECMAScript is standard. ECMAScript standard for the JavaScript. All the rules, declaration, permission, all things assigned in the ECMAScript. And W3 in W3C, estimate related standard defined in W3C. Okay,
Okay.
after that, start today. After that, start today. Mm, on
Uh,
here,
so here, so
yes,
here in the last line where we are using a dollar sign for connecting the shaker with the variable in
correct.
the curly braces.
This
Okay,
is
so
this
is
is
the
this
expressment
is ECMAScript syntax. ECMAScript 6
syntax,
syntax.
yes,
Yes.
syntax. And previously we are using the string concatenate with the variable.
Yeah. This is in ECMAScript 5. And also
Okay.
AI use ECMAScript 5. AI Internet Explorer use ECMAScript 5.
Uh,
But
okay.
because because browser like Edge, Chrome, Google, all
Mm,
browser use latest ECMAScript, because according
mm,
this ECMAScript, because
mm,
this browser depend on ECMAScript and HTML, correct?
mm,
But
mm.
in all the browser, latest ECMAScript is like ECMAScript 6, 7, 8. This is you using, but AI use ECMAScript 5.
Okay.
This
Any
will,
specific reason for that?
yes, in AI Internet Explorer.
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Why it is using ECMAScript 5 rather than
But due to
67H?
that reason, it replaced to AI, Internet Explorer to Edge.
Hmm. Okay.
So on there,
Sorry?
multiple issue on there because when open the
Hmm.
site in Internet Explorer, then not good looking. But
Okay.
in different browser like Chrome, Google, Edge, because this use latest ECMAScript.
Okay.
So that we need start from the Angular. So then Angular we need mm, uh, first we need Node.js.
Hmm.
We have on here question like Node.js.
Hmm.
When I open any HTML, write the HTML. Just one example on here. Uh, just open the Visual C PS Code. VS Code. Okay. In it on here we have created the one file uh, a.js. A.js. Okay.
Skin
My screen not
only
see.
the
Okay. Okay. Okay.
document, Google document is showing.
Let I will clear the a dot rename. Yes.
Okay.
This file I create that this TS file
Hmm.
and like code on here. Where is equal to okay, and where visual 20, okay, then console dot log. Okay. And suppose that this file I am creating a.ts file. Okay. This
Hmm.
file,
Hmm.
when I run this file, we cannot run this file. On here, we have click this file we cannot run. Correct?
Okay.
Because this file is a TS file, and for this
Hmm.
we need for that we need Node.js. We to
Okay.
run this
If
file
we
we
if
need
we if we
we
write this file in JS file, then we
yes.
can.
No, we
Okay.
can write in the JS. This cannot be run.
Okay.
Okay. So for this we need Node.js. The Node server
Hmm.
it can run this file.
Hmm.
So like we have I have installed Node.js Node server
Hmm.
Node. Okay. Through this
Hmm.
we can run this file. Run this file means how to give the output, like terminal. And before that, I one question I clear the compiler. Okay, then
Hmm.
in compiler, before that npm node package manager. Node package
Okay.
manager. What is the use of node package manager? Node package manager actually when you install the any package, suppose
Hmm.
that key, uh, suppose that npm. Okay, what is npm? Suppose that when install the bootstrap, is- install the bootstrap. Okay, but the bootstrap need jQuery. Okay, jQuery need some standard file or something abc.js file we need. abc. So then bootstrap depend on jQuery depend on abc. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
but through the npm, when I run this
Hmm.
command through the npm,
Hmm.
install the bootstrap, then npm automatically, which are dependent, automatically first install the abc, then install jQuery, then install bootstrap
Okay.
through the npm.
Aut- Automatically it will do, some command we need to type for that to install it, the bootstrap, jQuery and abc.js file.
Yes, yes. But you can see in the sp.net MVC dependency file, you need to install plugin, you add the plugin manually, correct? But through the npm in Angular,
Yeah, I need to give the URL for that file,
correct.
and we need
On
to
here, when you
directly.
npm install bootstrap, then automatically dependence file automatically install on here. Okay, so then on
So
here,
every time if we are compiling our code in Visual Studio using Node.js server to npm, so npm every time install this file. No, no, it will
no,
be
no, no,
install
only
the
one
file
time,
for once,
only one time.
one time. Okay.
One time
Mm,
install the package, and
mm,
then when you first time install, then suppose that you install bootstrap, you install the some
mm.
date picker, some install the calendar, some different things you can install only one time, not more time. Okay, then on here compiler tsc t typescript compiler. So then on here these things are, this type is compiler is saying track the command tsc compiler the current project. Okay, and tsc.util are things on here saying what is the use of tsc init, create ts config with the recommended setting in the working directory, tscp, tsc help, tsc on it. This tsc compiler, how many commands on this on here, this open all things on here, how many commands, this is commands we can use for the
Mm.
multi-purpose, like
Okay.
this is on your saying, yeah, ECMAScript 5, ECMAScript 6, 7. Okay, 7,
Mm.
7, 7. Latest is 7. Okay,
Mm.
ECMAScript 7 is latest. And after that, this file, you can test. This is compiler command. You can see all command on here. Okay, then Control C,
Okay.
TLS, clear screen,
Mm.
and then
Mm.
SC a.ts.
Okay.
A.ts. When I run
TSC
the,
stand for
sorry, TSC is a command, TypeScript compiler.
TSC. Okay. Okay.
TypeScript compiler. TSC means full form TypeScript compiler. A is a file. I create a
Okay.
file,
Mm.
a.ts file.
Mm.
Then I
Yes.
run
Yes.
this
Yes.
command. This convert TS file to JS file. Okay. This
Okay.
file
Okay.
convert to TS to JS. TS to JS.
Okay.
Okay, then
Okay.
run uh, uh, up. Then how to run this file? Node
Mm,
node a dot gs. Then output is 30.
exactly.
Okay. Then first
Okay.
when run the when build the code, then write the
Mm,
command tsc file name,
mm,
and
mm.
when run this file, then write the extension node file dot gs, because
Okay.
actually TypeScript and JavaScript
Mm,
TypeScript file only for the developer purpose I'm using. Finally, is
okay.
going to the JavaScript for the uh, deployment. After deployment, this convert into JavaScript. But developer
Okay.
purpose only we are using TypeScript, because TypeScript is a compile type checking.
Okay. Means that whatever type we are defining, it will check during the compile time. Here we
Uh,
define the variable where a to integer, and if we write the a is equal to test in a string, so it will be give the error or not?
Sorry, can you tell me again?
Uh, I'm saying that in the type scripting, we need to specify the type. It will be check the type of the value during the compile time, or will give the error, right?
Yes,
So if
on the
we, so
compiled.
it yeah, it means it's a type safe scripting language.
Correct.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. So if we write it after the line number one, if we put the enter and write a line that a is equal to string value, a is equal to double quote test, it will give error.
Yes,
Okay. Because we have made the type of the integer. Okay,
correct.
got it.
Because this is type check. This TypeScript check on the compile time, but JavaScript
Okay.
cannot check on the, because so I give the definition.
Uh-huh.
JavaScript is a dynamic
Dynamic language.
scripting language, but
Yeah.
TypeScript is not dynamic language. This is a
It's
static
a type of
language.
scripting.
Static language.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Static means compile time checking.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Okay.
you can say uh, when you install the जैसे means npm, just
Hmm.
npm uh, use for download
Installing the
uh,
download the dependent
download
packages
package from
uh,
public
from domain
repository.
repository.
Okay. Then actually Angular suppose that we have start npm install bootstrap. Okay, npm start material. Then
Hmm.
this is globally repository, public repository. On
Hmm.
there we can install
Hmm.
on here. Okay, for that
Hmm.
purpose we
Hmm.
can use npm.
But
Okay, second point is it resolve it resolve interdependency. Means suppose that bootstrap define jQuery, jQuery define abc.js, abc.js define in other file. Then
hmm.
there is a interdependency. Then through the
Yes.
npm, it
Hmm.
internally resolve all things.
Okay.
Correct.
Correct.
For that purpose, suppose that we have write the command npm install, like when you install the typescript.
Hmm.
Okay, we have multiple version of TypeScript, correct? Angular wise.
Okay.
Then if you write
Yes.
on here G, okay, the G means globally. if you want install the TypeScript globally, then you can write the command globally on here -g. Then install this package in the complete machine. Like when you check these things, I check these things in go to the C drive. mm, Go on here, my PC. My PC go into the user, user, public, public, uh, no, user, and yeah, on here. On here we have installed one node npm cache node one to one. Okay, actually on here on in the C drive we have installed these things. Uh, when I run this command.
Your other screen is not visible.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Actually, I am trying to show this point. When you install the npm install TypeScript -g, then this will install
Mm,
in the globally. In go to the C drive and user,
mm,
inside the user in on there install this TypeScript. Okay, version globally
okay.
install the C drive. Okay,
Okay.
I'm only try this saying this point.
Nice.
And this npm, you understand this point npm,
Yes.
what
Yes.
the use of
Yes.
npm. Okay,
Yes.
and actually TypeScript is a programming language. Okay, this is developed by the
Mm,
Microsoft.
okay.
TypeScript is a programming language developed by the Microsoft, and this compiled code to GS according to the
Mm,
ECMAScript. Through the ECMAScript,
mm,
we compile the TS code to JavaScript. Okay,
mm.
and you understand this is a superset of JavaScript. Superset of JavaScript,
Okay.
and
Okay.
this is a open source, free and open source. Okay,
Mm,
and
mm,
this support type safety means is check the compile time checking. Compile type checking. You
mm,
say this will show on here.
mm,
Write some a is equal to string. Okay, this is
mm,
error
mm,
showing. We type checking.
mm,
Okay, this support type
mm,
checking,
mm.
data type, oops concept is support, and generic support, and you can write on here TypeScript. TypeScript is this is it is developed by Microsoft. Compile TS TS to JS
Mm,
through ECMAScript. ECMAScript.
mm,
Okay, and it
okay.
support. This is free and open source. Free and
Mm,
open source, and it support. it support oops, oops. Okay, type checking, type checking, and data type, like data type var, let, string, different data type. This will support const, and but this is not supporting hosting. Hosting is not supporting on here. Hosting is not supported. Hosting, you understand the hosting? Hosting means suppose that you write the code console dot write line console dot log a, and but a assign the value define where a after that assign where a, that is a hosting. In the JavaScript, this is not this will not show the error, but in the TypeScript will show the error because it not support hosting. TypeScript will not
Okay.
support TypeScript is not supporting hosting.
ठीक है. Okay.
Okay, then one second. Like where on here data type, suppose on here data type uh, like on here let id colon number one. Okay,
Hmm. Okay.
let name string is equal to and boolean and this array. Like zero type 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. Right, so let
Why we did let here instead of where?
yes, this will thing I will tell you these things. Actually,
Okay.
late is uh, you are seeing late is for suppose that key when you write code uh, for for the scope, like on here, for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, okay, and let,
Hmm.
okay, let.
Okay.
Then scope of let is in this curly bracket only. In this
Okay.
curly braces, let is scope only.
Okay.
Write console dot log
Log
I.
I.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay, this is not a scope on here.
Okay. Bugging error.
But when you assign the where, okay,
Hmm.
when you assign the where, then scope is out of this curly braces,
Okay.
outside the
So
curly
only
braces.
the this is the basic difference between let and where,
Scope,
that if we can
scope.
only stop
On,
little things is there.
only
Okay.
it use blocking scope. It use blocking
Okay.
scope. Hosting is not
Hmm.
supported on here. For the let,
Okay.
hosting is not supported.
Hmm.
But in the where, it use function global scope. Hosting is supported for the where.
Okay. So using the TypeScript, we can provide the hosting support through the where, and with
No,
the let we cannot provide the host.
in the TypeScript not
Hmm.
supporting hosting because
Okay.
hosting suppose that key hosting means write this code comment code right console because it will check on compile time. It will check on compile time. Okay, then on here a after a is equal to 10, this will this is checking on compile time. Okay, this is checking on compile time, like on here where it will checking on compile time, correct? but
Correct.
but this code go to that gs file. On here copy and paste this. On here error is not coming. On here error is not coming. Why? On here error is coming. On here error is not coming. So you understand this point. gs gs supporting hosting. JS support hosting, but TS
Hmm.
not support hosting.
Okay.
TS does not support hosting, but JS
Hmm.
support hosting on here. Same things
Okay.
I write two line on here and two line on here. In TS error is coming, but in JS error not coming.
Hmm.
On here just check the compile time checking, but JS is checking runtime dynamic scripting.
Okay.
On here multiple things on here we need to understand. Data types variable function overloading and class and inheritance and interface generics and modules
Hmm.
we need to understand on here in typescript. Then one by
Okay.
one we have tell you first as you understand the data type. This is I assign the on here. Write the uncomment the code, uncomment this code. Okay, undo. Okay, just a checking on here. Name is a error. Name was also declared here. What the issue on here? Okay, name, username. Okay, name is not supporting on here. Means username is supporting. Okay, then let let mm, okay, only this things is a what the variable. I declare variable on here like this. Let I colon number type. This is a string type. This is a boolean type. Any when you assign the any, then any this you can assign any data type like on here. Uh, let uh, username 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 is equal to this. Okay, and this data type is any. This data type is any, and I assign username is integer number. It will assign. It will not throw the error. Okay, because it's any. If I assign on here string, then it will throw the error. Okay, this is generic. You can understand the generic and non-generic because when you assign the list, okay, list, okay, when you assign particular data type, then you only give the value only particular data type, int or string. Same things on here. Any when you assign the any, then you assign any data type on here. Any value, string, number, boolean. Okay, hello. Okay. And today I will later will tomorrow I discuss with the variable function and overloading
Hmm.
interface and
Hmm.
other things we have discussed tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.